Hello, my name is Angela Vo, and for my class, MAN 3301, I will be talking about a tableau assignment. Basically, for my assignment, I am required to analyze human resource data of a company, and I compiled it into 4 separate charts and graphs and so forth. It was required that we insert an Excel file into Tableau, so that's where all of the numbers are coming from. And at the end of showing you the 4 sheets, I will be showing you a dashboard that compiled all 4 of the sheets into an interactive slideshow, essentially. Alright, to begin with, this first sheet contains percentage of total working years in different education field to find critical departments, and I compiled them all into percentages down here in a pie graph. Alright. Next sheet, I have 2 separated bar charts, bar graphs on gender-based pay discrimination. As you can see, I separated them, female and male. Female being the blue chart up here, male being the orange chart on the bottom. Third sheet is a line graph on age and gender-wise salary hike conforming to performance rating within the company. Just like the one before, separate the colors. Blue is for female, orange is for males. On the side, you can see the variance of percent salary hike and the average of performance rating down here. Last sheet is attrition count by job role / department. Let me pull this down a little further. It's a little hard to see, but hopefully it's not cut up too much right there. Alright. Last but not least is the dashboard. Just move it around multiple times. This is where it is interactive. You can click wherever. I'm going to tell you the exact number that the counts are here. My favorite part of all the slides is right down here. Shows you exactly how much they make on an hourly basis, and what department and what field. Let's go over here, and you can see that there is a slight change in each number. Assuming depending on your field. And then over here, the percentages of total working years, the most being life sciences. Alright, and yeah, that is all I have for you for my Tableau project. Thank you.